First row done. Okay. There's our shingle here. That is a brand name on it. So, a little hard to see, but some mat transfer here and here. These two spots, a little bit there, just from this shingle here, and fill it a little bit here. Can you get your camera under here, Chris? I don't want to lift it up too high. It's right there. Okay. And a little bit here. There. So it's here. Tried to come up with a good match the best I could. This is what we got. So we've got the new one back in. Got a small little tear here. So we got just a small little tear there. Let's see. We have no tar strip here. Chris, get up under here. So we don't have a tar strip here. There's no more tar basically on the back. Some of it's was a mat transfer. This shingle will never it'll never stick again. Got a little separation in the keys. Little separation in the keys here. This key is completely broke off. A little separation in the keys here. Little bit of a granule loss here. Just a tad bit where it picks up a little bit here. same things. Keys starting to delaminate, they're starting to separate. But what fastens them down isn't sticking anymore. Same thing here. So that dinghy wrap is 2. A little bit of creasing, that's 3. I don't remember if I wiped that one time or not. I'm gonna leave it alone. I don't think I did, but that's okay. So there's our repair procedure there. I was as careful as I could. I could be as slow as I could be. As far as nailing back, it's a nail and push formation, so you try not to open the shingle up very much. There's nowhere near 45 degrees. The shingle doesn't take it a good quality repair based on the key separation here. That's going to be blown off. It's going to look like there's a key there flown off from somewhere, and it's just going to happen with the delamination process. They are no longer sticking. This one has a tar strip on the back. Look, this is already starting to stick, Chris. Look, 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 look. This is what's supposed to happen, okay? I'm not even going to pull that up because it's starting to stick now. This will never stick. This will never stick. And this one will never stick again. They become more susceptible to wind damage. And as you can see here, a new shingle, a good quality repair here, it's supposed to stick right away. The sun's out. What is it, a solid 70 degrees right now?
Yeah, just about.
These, now everything is more susceptible to any wind damage from here on out. If you got any questions, let us know. Thank you so much for your time.